Hey there, future WCU star. Ready to embark on your academic adventure at Western Covenant University? We're thrilled to have you consider joining our vibrant international community. But first things first, let's get you through the application process. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's dive in. Step 1, gather your documents. You'll need to be a document detective and make sure you have everything ready to go. Here's your checklist. First, prepare a government-issued ID. Passport, national ID, or driver's license. Check. Second, prepare a U.S. equivalent high school diploma and transcripts. This is for our undergrad hopefuls looking to study business or computer science. Make sure it's U.S. equivalent. Third, get ready your diplomas and transcripts for graduate applicants. Applying for an MBA or a Master of Arts in Religion, you'll need your bachelor's degree diploma and transcripts. And here's the fine print. Your bachelor's degree needs to be from a U.S. accredited university or one of the top 1,000 universities in the world, according to Times Higher Education rankings. Not on the list? No worries. Get an equivalency assessment from a California accredited agency or submit GRE GMAT scores instead. The next document to prepare is your student visa, or Form Y-797. If you got these documents ready, great, you're halfway there. As international students, you also need to provide a proof of financial ability. Show us you've got the funds to study and live in the U.S. Bank statements, sponsors affidavit, or scholarship letters all work. Not from an English-speaking country? No problem. Just show us your TOEFL, IELTS, TOEIC, or Duolingo scores. Or a proof that you have completed a program or degree from a school based in a country whose native language is English. MBA applicants, here are a few additional requirements. We need your personal statement and a research proposal. Show us what you've got. Now that you've got everything in order, it's time to head online and apply. Here's how. Go to our website. That is www.wsuniversity.edu. Hit the Admissions tab. Pick Online Admission from the drop-down. There are two options. Are you a transfer student? Choose that option. New student? Select New Student, Change of Status. Fill out the form with all your details. Don't miss a thing. Be sure to upload all those documents you prepared earlier. Time to pay the application fee and the I-20 processing fee. Finally, click Submit and you're done. Now the hardest part, waiting. Give us 5 to 7 business days to review your application. We'll get back to you with the results and next steps. Thank you for choosing Western Covenant University. We can't wait to welcome you into our family. Got questions? Our admissions team is just a call away at 213-293-1771. See you soon at WCU.